वालेकुम एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। बेटा आज हम जो है स्केलेटन के ऊपर जो है एमसीक्यूज करने जा रहे हैं। आज हम जो है 50 एमसीक्यूज करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे हम जो है स्केलेटन के ऊपर। स्केलेटन का जो पहला पार्ट है जिसका नाम है एक्सेल स्केलेटन। तो शुरू करते हैं आज की हमारी जो है वीडियो। तो फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज इज द बोन मैरो इज हाईली कंपोज्ड ऑफ। बोन मैरो जो है किस चीज़ की बनी होती है? ऑप्शन ए periosteum and osteoblast. Option B adipose tissues and blood vessels. Option C yellow and elastic tissue. Option D cartilage and elastic tissue. So beta the right answer is option B adipose and blood vessels. So the next question is collarbone is also known as। collarbone जो है किसको कहा जाता है? ऑप्शन ए scapula. ऑप्शन बी caracoid. Option C stapes. Option D clavicle. So beta the right answer is option D clavicle is also known as collarbone. So the next question is the bony socket of jaws in which the teeth are implanted are known as। bony socket होता है jaws का जिसमें जो है हमारे teeth जो हैं implanted होते हैं, इनको क्या कहा जाता है? ऑप्शन ए alveolus. ऑप्शन बी fossae. ऑप्शन सी dentaries. ऑप्शन डी theca. So beta the right answer is option A alveolus. So the next question is the type of vertebrae in suborder ophidian is। suborder जो ophidian होता है उसमें जो vertebrae होती है वो कौन सी है? ऑप्शन ए amphicoelus. ऑप्शन बी acelus. ऑप्शन डी heterocoelus. ऑप्शन डी procoelus. So the right answer is option D procoelus. So the next question is the number of cranial nerves in mammals are। mammals के अंदर जो cranial nerves होते हैं उनके कितने numbers होते हैं? ऑप्शन ए 10 pairs. ऑप्शन बी 8 pairs. ऑप्शन सी 12 pairs. ऑप्शन डी 16 pairs. So the right answer is option C 12 pairs. So the next question is न्यूक्लियस पल्पोसस इज। न्यूक्लियस पल्पोसस क्या होता है? ऑप्शन ए a type of special cells found in myelin sheath of the nerve cells of the vertebrae. Option B a depression for pituitary is found in mammalian skulls. Option C a large nucleus found in Schwann cells of the nerve fiber. Option D a remain embryonic notochord found in the central portion of intervertebral disc of vertebrae mammalian. So the right answer is option D a remain embryonic notochord found in the central portion of intervertebral disc of vertebrae of mammal. So the next question is the first vertebrae the alters by its articulation with the axis vertebrae facilitates a nodding movement, sideway movement, rotatory movement, backward movement. So the right answer is option C rotatory movement. So the next question is vertebrae in which centrum is absent and transverse process are present is known as। option A lumbar vertebrae. option B anterior thoracic. option C axis vertebrae. option D alters vertebrae. So the right answer is option D alters vertebrae. So the next question is the number of vertebrae present in cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and coxal region respectively are। number of vertebrae जो हमारे मौजूद होते हैं cervical region में, thoracic region में, lumbar region में, sacral region में और coxal region में, उनके numbers कैसे होते हैं? ऑप्शन ए 12, 5, 12, 7, 5, 1, 1. Option B 1, 7, 12, 1. Option C 7, 5, 1, 12, 1. Option D 7, 12, 5, 1, 1. Option D E 5, 12, 7, 1, 1. So beta the right answer is option D। ऑप्शन डी कैसे है देखें। सेरेविकल रीजन जो होता है हमारा उसमें होती है 7 वर्टिब्राe, जबकि जो थोरेसिक होता है उसमें होती है 12 वर्टिब्राe, लंबर रीजन में 5 होती हैं, सेक्रल जो है ये फ्यूज होकर हमारे जो है 1 बनाती हैं और कोक्से B1 फ्यूज होकर बनाती हैं। सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आइटम्स गिव करेक्ट टोटल नंबर, कौन सा जो है आइटम सही करेक्ट देता है टोटल नंबर के। ऑप्शन ए टाइप्स ऑफ डायबिटीज 3, ऑप्शन बी cervical vertebrae in humans 8, option C floating ribs in human 4, amino acid found in proteins 16। so beta the right answer is option C floating ribs in human 4। ठीक है बेटा, डायबिटीज की 2 टाइप्स होती हैं और सेरेविकल वर्टिब्राe हमारे पास कितनी होती हैं 7 होती हैं और अमीनो एसिड हमारे पास जो है 20 होते हैं। ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ बोन्स इन द पार्ट ऑफ स्कल सच एज cranial bones, facial bones, hyoid and middle ear respectively। so the options are 14, 8, 1 and 6, option B 6, 8, 14 and 1, option C 14, 8, 6 and 1, option D 8, 6, 14 and 1, option E 8, 14, 1 and 6। so beta the right answer is option E। ऑप्शन ई इज द राइट आंसर। 8 क्रेनियल हमारे पास बोन्स होती हैं, 14 फेशियल बोन्स होती हैं, 1 हमारे पास हायोइड बोन्स होती हैं और 6 हमारे पास जो हैं आपकी एयर बोन्स आती हैं जिनको हम एयर ओसिकल्स कहते हैं। सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द नंबर ऑफ वर्टिब्राe इन रैबिट इज, रैबिट के अंदर वर्टिब्राe कितनी होती हैं। ऑप्शन ए 14, ऑप्शन बी 33, ऑप्शन सी 44, ऑप्शन डी 46। so the right answer is option B 33। so the next question is lumbar vertebrae are found in, lumbar vertebrae कहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं। ऑप्शन ए neck region, ऑप्शन बी abdominal region, ऑप्शन सी hip region, ऑप्शन डी thoracic region। so the right answer is option B abdominal region। so the next question is the skull of bird is, skull जो bird का होता है इसको क्या कहा जाता है। dicondylic, monocondylic और amphicondylic, none of these। so beta the right answer is option B monocondylic। so the next question is opening of the base of skull for the spinal cord is called, जो opening होती है skull के base के ऊपर जो spinal cord के लिए open होती है इसको क्या कहा जाता है। ऑप्शन ए foramen magnum, ऑप्शन बी foramen of Monro, ऑप्शन बी obturator of foramen, option D foramen of the Mengidae। so the right answer is option A foramen magnum। so the next question is 8th and 9th, so the next question is 8th and 9th ribs are also known as false rib because their external portions are attached। 8 और 9 जो है रिब्स इनको भी फॉल्स रिब्स कहा जाता है क्योंकि इनका जो एक्सटर्नल पोर्शन होता है वो अटैच होता है किसके साथ। ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए सिफिस्ट्रेनम, ऑप्शन बी कोस्टा ऑफ सेवेंथ रिब्स, ऑप्शन डी ऑप्शन सी दे हैव नो कोस्टा, ऑप्शन डी दे आर नॉट ट्रू रिब्स। सो बेटा द राइट आंसर इज कोस्टा ऑफ सेवेंथ रिब्स। so the next question is which one is not a cranial bone, इनमें से एक जो है cranial bone नहीं है। ऑप्शन ए frontal bone, ऑप्शन बी zygomatic bone, ऑप्शन सी temporal bone, ऑप्शन डी sphenoid bone। so beta the right answer is option B zygomatic bone। so the next question is thoracic cage in rabbit is made up of, option A ribs, vertebral column and diaphragm, option B ribs, diaphragm and sternum, option C vertebral column, diaphragm and sternum, option D ribs, vertebral column and sternum। so beta the right answer is option D ribs, vertebral column and sternum is the right answer। so the next question is vertebrae in birds are mostly, vertebrae जो birds के अंदर होती हैं वो mostly क्या होती हैं। प्रोसीलस, एम्फीसीलस, ऑफिसोसीलस, हेटेरोसीलस। so the right answer is option D heterocilous। so the next question is centrum of man is procellus, amphicoelus or amphoplatus or ophistocilus। So beta the right answer is option C, amphiplatus. So the next question is long neck of camel is due to increase in length of cervical vertebrae, due to bony plate between two vertebrae, due to muscle in between two vertebrae, none of above. So the right answer is due to muscle in between two vertebrae. So the next question is sella tunica. Is sella tunica क्या है? Option A covering of kidney, option B covering of testes, option C depression in brain, option D depression in skull which lodges the pituitary body. So the right answer is option B, depression in skull which lodges pituitary body. So the next question is in which the chondrocytes are replaced by the osteocytes. Option A maxilla, option B nasal, option C dentary, option D vomer. So the right answer is option C dentary. So the next question is which one of the following is correction description of certain parts of normal human skeleton. Option A parietal bone and temporal bone of skull are joined by fibrous joints. Option B vertebrae axis which articulate with the occipital condyles. Option C 9th and 10th pairs in ribs are also called floating ribs. Glenoid cavity is a depression to which thigh bone articulate. So the right answer is option A. Option A parietal bone and temporal bone of skull are joined by fibrous joint. So the next question is the number of floating ribs in a human being is हमारे पास है बेटा 6 pairs, option B 3 pairs, option C 5 pairs, option D 2 pairs. So the right answer is option D 2 pairs. So the next question is centrum of 8th vertebrae frog is amphiplaton, procellus, amphicoelus, opisthocoelus. So the right answer is amphicoelus. So the next question is in the first 2 or 3 lumbar vertebrae there is a small median process below the centrum. This is called prezygophysis, postzygophysis, hypophysis, neural spine. So the right answer is hypophysis. Hypophysis. So next question is the bone related to skull is altos, coracoid, arytenoid or pterygoid. So the right answer is pterygoid. So the next question is what is correct about human body? There are 5 vertebrae in neck. Brain box is made up of 4 bones. There are 15 pairs of ribs. There are 12 thoracic vertebrae. So the right answer is option D. There are 12 thoracic vertebrae. So the next question in mammal rabbits zygomatic arc is formed by. मैमल्स के अंदर रैबिट में जाइगोमेटिक जो आर्क होता है वो बनता है किससे? मैक्सिला, प्रीमैक्सिला, स्क्वामोसल. ऑप्शन बी पेरियोटिसाई, जुगल एंड पैलेटाइन. ऑप्शन सी मैक्सिला, स्क्वामोसल एंड जुगल, मैक्सिला एंड periodic. So the right answer is option C maxilla, squamosal and jugal. So the next question is where a vertebrae has convexity both in front and behind it is called procellus, amphicoelus, acoelus or amphiplaton. So the right answer is option C acoelus. Next question is the last 2 pairs are named as floating ribs because जो लास्ट 2 pairs होती हैं इनको floating ribs कहा जाता है. रीजन क्या है? ऑप्शन है their external part are attached to the sternum directly. Option B their external part are attached on the 7 pairs of the ribs? C. Their external part remain free and do not even reach their sternum. They float in the body cavity. So the right answer is their external part remain free and do not even reach to the sternum. Next question is special fibrous joint occurring exclusively in skull and which is tightest type of joint is called. Option A suspensorium, option B suspensory ligament, option D suture, option D occipital. So the right answer is option C suture. So the next question is vertebrae which bears the whole weight of skull is. Option A axis, option B sacral, option C cervical, option D altas. So the right answer is option D altas. So the next question is parasphenoid bone in frog forms. Option A base of cranium, option B floor of cranium, option C dorsal side of cranium, option D dorsolateral side of cranium. So beta the right answer is option B floor of cranium. So the next question is how many ribs are present in human beings? Option A 6 pairs, option B 9 pairs, option C 12 pairs, option D 15 pairs. So the right answer is option C 12 pairs. Next is axis vertebrae of mammal differ from altas in absence of centrum, presence of centrum, presence of central canal, presence of odontoid. So the right answer is presence of odontoid. So next question is number of bone in skull is option A 26, option B 28, option C 107, option D 29. So the right answer is option B 28. ठीक है बेटे. So the next question is in human being the cranium is formed by 8 bones of which 2 are paired. Option B 14 bones of which 6 are paired. Option C 10 bones of which 2 are paired. Option D 12 bones of which 4 are paired. So the right answer is option A 8 bones of which 2 are paired. So the next question is which one of the following is unpaired? Option A premaxilla, option B proctus, option C sphenoethmoid, option D pterygoid. So the right answer is sphenoethmoid. So the next question is in man the axial skeleton is made up of man के अंदर axial skeleton कितनी bones का बना हुआ है? Option A 80 bones, option B 100 bones, option C 103 bones, option D 106 bones. So the right answer is option A 80 bones. So the next question is the number of bones in half of lower jaw of a man is. हाफ लोअर jaw जो होती है हमारे मेन के अंदर इनके अंदर कितने बोन्स होते हैं? ऑप्शन ए 1, ऑप्शन बी 4, ऑप्शन सी 6, ऑप्शन डी 8. So the right answer is an A1. So the next question is in man the thoracic bosquet is composed of ribs and thoracic vertebrae, ribs and sternum, ribs, sternum and vertebrae, ribs, sternum and thoracic vertebrae. So the right answer is option D, ribs, sternum and thoracic vertebrae. So the next question is innominate is a option A nerve, option B muscle, option C animal, option D a part of skeleton and anatomy. So the right answer is option D, a part of skeleton and anatomy. So the next question is tongue bone जो है क्या है? ऑप्शन ए हायर बोन, ऑप्शन बी मैक्सिलरी, ऑप्शन डी डेंटरी, ऑप्शन डी quadrate jugal. Option A hyoid is the right answer. So the next question is human vertebral column consists of 33 vertebrae and bone. Option A 33, option B 26, option C 27, option D 29. So the right answer is option B 26. Next question is cervical region of vertebrae is located in ऑप्शन ए thoracic region, ऑप्शन बी abdominal region, ऑप्शन सी neck region, ऑप्शन डी lumbar region. So the right answer is option C, cervical neck region. So the next question is the number of cervical vertebrae in camel is same as that in rabbit, same as that in frog, less than that in giraffe, or more than that in horse. So the right answer is as that in rabbits. So the next question is the major function of intervertebral disc is to absorb shock. Option B, string vertebrae together. Option C, prevent injuries. Option D, prevent hyperextension. So the right answer is option A, absorb shock. So the next and the last question is one of the following is included in axial skeleton. Option A, femur. Option B, sternum. Option C, humerus. Option D, patella. So एक्सेल स्केलेटन में हमारे पास कौन सा आता है? तो एक्सेल स्केलेटन में हमारे पास जस्ट स्टेर्नम आती है, बाकी रिमेनिंग हमारे जो हैं 3 ये अपेंडिकुलर पार्ट में आते हैं। तो बेटे आज की हमारी जो है वीडियो इधर कंप्लीट होती है। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो जो है आपके काम की लगी, आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद है, तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। तो इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।